Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start now by confirming your device has 20% battery and network access. You need either Wi-Fi or mobile data for accuracy. Next, open Settings and tap Location, or pull down Quick Settings and enable the GPS icon. You must grant the specific app permission, choose Allow while using the app, or Always if needed for background tracking. Once done, make sure High Accuracy, or GPS plus Network mode, is selected so the receiver uses both satellite and network signals. Now you refine how the GPS gets a fix. You should select High Accuracy or GPS plus Network mode. This combines satellite, Wi-Fi, and cell towers to reduce time to first fix. If your device supports a GPS, let it download assist data. This speeds satellite locking. Calibrate the compass by rotating the device and clear any old location cache from the app settings to avoid stale coordinates. Once calibrated, walk to an open area for a clean, unobstructed satellite view. Finish by verifying your location lock. The app should show latitude/longitude and an accuracy reading, ideally under 10 meters. If you don't get a fix, toggle location off and on, restart the device, or briefly enable airplane mode for 10 seconds, then disable it to reset radios. Also make sure battery saver is off and any VPN or firewall isn't blocking location services. Finally, confirm the app has permission. If problems persist, move to a clearer sky view and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.